Shopify enthusiast, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the ins and outs of the frequently bought together app. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or looking to optimize your store, you are in the right place. So without further ado, let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Now, if you are new to Shopify, you might want to click on the Get Started. Now, creating an account here is very easy and fast. All you're gonna do is just provide your work or business email and click on Continue with Email and just follow the on-screen instructions and you're all set. But to simplify the whole process, you can continue using your Apple account, your Facebook account, or Google account. Now, the frequently bought together app is a feature addition to many e-commerce platforms, including Shopify. So it's not limited only to Shopify. So it supports a lot of e-commerce platforms, right? Now, it's designed to increase sales by suggesting complementary or related products to customers based on their current selections. Now, while Shopify offers several apps and plugins for implementing this feature, basically, the frequently bought together is one of the best there is. Now, when you go here in the App Store, log into your Shopify, and then you need to search for the app itself. Now, once you are in your store, as you can see, frequently bought together analyzes the previous purchases in the store database through data mining algorithms and produces a memory graph with the products that usually added together in the shopping cart. Now, say for example, this is your product right here, a fixie bikes. Now, when you hover down here, there are like Amazon like frequently bought together in a single log. So the frequently bought together app is a good integration here in Shopify that bundles everything from a simple product. Say for example, they wanted to have a padlock, and it also suggesting another product that makes them into a good combination. All right, so it's one of the most powerful upsell recommendation engine because it analyzes your store's sales history, new orders, and product purchase in real time, and has no limits on number of products or number of orders or traffic, making it very good to use for your Shopify store. Say for example, this mini lock, and after that, the frequently bought together will suggest another item that is compatible, if not that matches with the messenger mini lock, right? Now, when you hover down to the catalog right here, so you can filter all the products for now, but say you're looking for the alpha, click on the specific product right here. Now, when you do that, frequently bought together gives or suggests another products, making them a big bundle. Because say for example, if the customer doesn't want this spare item and this spare lock, but if you bundle them without them knowing, they already added the products on their shopping cart. Of course, maximizing your potential sales in the upsell method, right? Now in this product, the item sells 50 cm, 54, 58. There's a lot of options that you can use in the drop-in menu, as well as the alloy type from 165 to black. So you can customize everything. As you can see, it's real-time updating. That's one of the best in terms of the features. And you can also choose for another variant of color from light blue to merlot. Right here, it's automatically being reflected from orange and of course to white, which is obviously not a good color, but let's go for orange for now. And then when you do that, you can simply increase your conversion rate because the smart recommendations are displayed as product bundles. That's one of the best things for both frequently bought together app, because I'm using it in my Shopify store right now, and it converts well, right? You don't have to do anything. It's automatically do the integration for you. Now, say for example, if you add this to the cart, say for example, you are the customer. When you do that, what will happen is, as you can see, These are the live demo here. And you can simply click on the buy it now. Now from here, the customer would definitely fill all of this information in the computer store and apply any discount that they can have, and without them knowing that they already purchased a bundle item, right? It's not you hard selling. It's not a hard upsell. It's just one way of doing some upsells without the customers realizing that the items are not part of the whole package. Obviously, all we're gonna do is provide information and they're all set. Now, say for example, you want to remove this item right here. Just continue shopping, click on it, and you will be redirected back to the catalog. Now, let's head over to the catalog wherein we can choose another variant. Let's say the DZR Mamba. Click on it. And as you can see, the item is the DZR Mamba shoes only, right? But when you install the frequently bought together, what will happen is it would suggest another item that's related to the Mamba shoes, which are these items. Now, when you can click on the sizes, now the slender leather grips, you have an option to choose as honey, brown, and aged brown. So you have 3 variants right here. And the Kryptonite Keeper, the chain lock, is also optional, but since you've stored the frequently bought together, it's one of the best recommendations displayed in the product bundles on your product page, and customers are likely to buy more items and of course boosting revenue, right? Now, if you're interested in the frequently bought together, just log into your Shopify account, and all you're gonna do is click on the Shopify store and click on this one, all right? And after clicking so, as you can see, you have the option to install. It's very straightforward and easy, and you can have all these perks and benefits, like you can use proven and smart AI-driven product recommendations for optimal results. You can fine-tune recommendations for each product to create your own product bundles. You can add 4 different types of bundle discounts for increased conversion rates, because our example earlier was just like 3 product bundles. And get out of the box styles for your theme and change anything you want easily. You can see how the app deals smoothly with any number of products, orders, or traffic. And again, from here, they offer a generous 30-day free trial, wherein it's always free for development stores such as my store. I started free, and then I realized I wanted to scale up, and then I upgraded to unlimited, which is like $9 per month. But these are the things that is included in that package, from all the free features wherein you can install and configure on dev store before going live. It's free for paying merchants during trial period. And from here, you can have a limited number of products, right? It depends on the niche. Say, for example, one of the store earlier is about bikes and accessories. If you are selling electronics, or something like maybe beauty products. So there's a limited number of products and orders and traffics. It's swift, efficient, knowledgeable support, and these 2,000 reviews, I believe, are more than enough to help you make an informed decision if frequently bought together is an app that's right for your stores. And again, these are the honest and transparent reviews that some merchant thinks, right? So I went here in the past because I was interested to download this plugin myself, because I believe it will boost my sales, and I was right all along. And then after that, as you can see, the highlights are it's really built for Shopify. And well, if it's built for Shopify, it's definitely built for your business right here. And remember the generous 30-day free trial wherein you can cancel anytime. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.